I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll know.
Nice.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful, wonderful
All right. Awesome job, you guys. Aloha. That's Sounds of Aloha. Sounds of Aloha Chorus. Of course, from my island home in Hawaii. All right. Aloha to each and every single one of you guys. Sounds of Aloha. Mahalo much for sharing that song. Yes, it is just a wonderful thing. For some reason, I cannot, I couldn't get it out of my head, but I was thinking, man, that would be nice if you guys added the uke to it. But of course, you know, it changes the style of the music when you start doing that. But you guys were wonderful, man. That was amazing. To do like a virtual choir. I know it's not easy to edit and, you know, make sure that everything's all in sync. But hey, that's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the fact that I heard you guys sing, and that was awesome. Gotta hear more from you guys again. But anyway, aloha to all my island brothers and sisters and all the family back home in Hawaii. Hope you guys are doing well, especially with all this stuff that's going on right now. Continue to stay home, be safe, stay safe, keep on singing, okay? Don't stop singing. But anyway, that was a wonderful rendition of What a Wonderful World. And yeah, like I said, I just can't, for some reason, I just can't kick it out of my head, you know, just hearing the uke. Especially, you know, Bruddah is too, his music. But anyway, again, awesome job. Sounds of Aloha. Aloha back to you from my holly to yours, Bruddah Sam right over here. Again, happy Aloha Monday, because it is Monday today, to each and every one of you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. And if not, I pray that everything will get better, feeling better. If you guys not feeling well, pray that you guys get better, you know, from any type of illnesses, sickness, or even allergies like me too. So anyways, mahalo much once again. I'll see you guys on my next reaction video. For now, it is Aloha a hui ho, and I will see you guys. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I got my Aloha shirt on. Easter you know, just thought I'd just continue on with my reaction videos. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.